All right, I'm gonna try to release the ball joint. Essentially smack it right here and hope that it releases. I've got a jack underneath it just so it doesn't fall, but I also have the nut not completely screwed off. I'm gonna try the small hammer first, and if it doesn't work, then I'll use the big hammer. I'm gonna be careful not to hit the threads or the nut. So far, it's not releasing. Try it with this one. All right, it feels like that's released. I can lower. It's moving at least within the joint. There it goes. All right, so that's it. It's loose.